Hi guys, let me introduce you to the Enviro controller, our flagship product. I've only got a minute, so I'm only going to give you a quick overview on this. Next time we're going to do a longer video with all the details in there. As you can see, it's got 4 sockets. You've got the top 2 sockets, which are intake and outtake for AC fans. You've got exit 1 and exit 2. These aren't for fans, these are for humidifiers, dehumidifiers, heaters, power on, timers. These will run all the other bits and pieces in your room, and you've got your EC sockets at the bottom. It does daytime and nighttime because it's got a light sensor built into the Pro. It does temperature and humidity. So this controller will control everything in your environment perfectly. Again, any more information on this, click on the link. There will be a video out shortly. Cheers guys.